Hi there boys and girls, it's Mr Prentice again. You may remember that a few days ago we tried an experiment called Shiny Penny, and we put a 2p and a 1p coin into our Coca Cola. So it's been a few days now and we're just going to have a wee look at our coin. So we'll take out the 2p. Now as you can see, the coin's quite shiny compared to the way it was before. And if you look closely at the coin here, you can still see some of the darker parts of the colour that it used to be. So basically what's happened here is the acid in the Coke has basically... I know, you're right here, the boys and girls know you're here too. The acid in the Coke has basically started to dissolve the copper oxide in the 2p coin, and that's why it looks a lot shinier than it did before. If you tried it, you can let me know how you got on. Speak to you soon.